Hi! In front of me is OPPO A16S, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner on this OPPO. You need to start by opening Settings and going into Apps section. Now click on App Cloner over here and select one of your available apps that you wish to clone, in my case Facebook. Now tap on this switcher next to Create App Clone in order to clone your app. Wait a bit and adjust all of those options however you wish to, like Rename App Clone, and when using quick functions. Finally, when I go back, as you can see, my app, Click, was successfully cloned. In order to delete your app, you can hold it and select Uninstall over here, or click on the same switcher next to Create App Clone. Then confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!